Russia keeps leaving ammunition and resources out in the open. This leaves Ukraine's drone army the ability to clean up what Russia leaves out. As seen multiple times, piles of anti-tank mines of the TM62 variant, which has 7.5 kg of explosive material, leaving a little less than 200 kg of explosive material. Ukraine's drone can take out with a 40mm high explosive dual-purpose grenade, turning the piles of mines to a crater beside the road, taking out more Russian resources, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.